What is the benefits of NIDO 3 Plus? Nestlé registered NIDO 3 Plus as a source of immuno-nutrients which help contribute to the normal functioning of the immune system and a source of omega-3 fatty acids with added DHA which contribute to normal brain function and learning. Nestlé NIDO 3 to 5 years toddler powdered milk beverage. Product details. Nestlé NIDO 3 Plus toddler milk beverage delivers 12 essential vitamins and minerals in every cup. This instant powdered milk beverage for toddlers contains calcium, zinc, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron and 7 other essential vitamins and minerals to help support healthy growth and development. This instant dry milk beverage is easy to mix. Simply add 4 scoops of Nestlé NIDO milk beverage to 1 cup of warm water and mix well for a nutritious toddler drink you can trust for your child. Each 28.2-ounce canister of dry powdered milk contains approximately 20 servings of NIDO 3 Plus. Store your can of NIDO 3 Plus in a cool, dry place. 1 28.2 ounces canister of Nestlé NIDO 3 Plus toddler milk beverage. Nestlé NIDO 3 Plus delivers essential vitamins and minerals in every cup. This toddler milk beverage is easy to mix for a nutritious beverage for your child. NIDO 3 Plus contains added vitamins and minerals to support growth and development. NIDO 3 Plus contains zinc, vitamin A, vitamin C and iron to help support immune health. Stir 4 scoops of NIDO toddler milk beverage into 1 cup of warm water. Store NIDO 3 Plus in a cool, dry place. SNAP and EBT eligible item.